Cocoa in the Community is sponsored by Scandinavian Designs. Modern style for every budget. Well, you've seen the great team from Tepeyac Community Health Center on the show. Well, they have big reasons to celebrate this morning. They have raised nearly $10 million for their new clinic, which will allow them to triple the amount of people they serve. Well, here to tell us more is Chief Health Officer Dr. Pamela Valenza. Hi, Dr. Valenza. It's so good to see you.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Well, there is a very good reason to have you on the show this morning. You guys have raised nearly $10 million for a new clinic that is going to be so much larger than where you guys currently are. Tell me about this.
Yes, it's very exciting. Our current clinic is about 6,000 square feet. Our new clinic in the Elyria-Swansea neighborhood is going to be 24,500 square feet.
Wow.
It'll be a large integrated health center with medical, physical, behavioral health, dental services, fully integrated care for the community.
That is incredible. I mean, you have taken a major jump here. That is going to allow, I would imagine, so much opportunity on so many levels as well. Yes,
we'll be able to triple the amount of patients that we can see at our health center.
That is so neat. Okay, now when you say we've raised nearly $10 million, that is incredible. I'm sure that was quite the process getting there. What was that like?
It's been a journey, as is any large campaign for expansion, but it's really been a focus of the organization to increase our services to really meet the community where they're at and listen to what the needs are. And so we are, as you mentioned, nearly $10 million into the $13 million campaign. And we are looking for community members to help us cross that finish line as we get to the end of our capital campaign here. And we really want to get back to business and expand and see more patients and bring more care out to the community.
Absolutely. So this is a team effort along with the community. So let's make it happen. I mean, you're really close, which is so neat to see. Now, the clinic is going to be opening at the beginning of 2023 to patients. That's coming up. What has that been like?
Yes, so our clinic is opening January 9th of 2023. We have a set date. It's very exciting. Our staff are incredibly thrilled to be moving into the new space. We had a block party a couple weeks ago where we had community members, patients come out touring the new space. So it's going to be really a wonderful expansion to bring in a pharmacy, which has never been in the neighborhood before, expanded lab and imaging services, and as well as more dental and medical services.
Oh, that is going to be wonderful. Now, you've covered a little bit about services, but anything people should know as far as that new clinic opening, what services will you be providing?
So in addition to the expanded medical services, we will have pediatric services, prenatal services, we'll have addiction recovery for substance use disorder, behavioral health services, including healing circles, group therapy, individual therapy. We'll have our full dental team to provide those services, and like I mentioned, the pharmacy, which is much needed in the community.
Very exciting times for sure. I've heard you mention integrated healthcare, and I really want to touch on that because this is important. There are many benefits to integrated healthcare. Can you explain a little bit more about that?
Yeah, integrated care might be something different, or somebody might not know that term. And so what we talk about when we say integrated, it means when you come into the provider's office and you're seeing myself as a family physician, as your family doctor, I might pull in a behavioral health therapist or the dentist or a registered dietitian to come meet you, to speak with you about the needs that you might be showing or telling me during your visit. At that moment of the visit, you don't need to come back for another appointment. We're going to focus on the whole person all at once.
See, and that right there is so great. So what do you think makes Tepeyac different than any other health center out there? I know this is also a big thing for you guys.
Yeah, when I think about Tepeyac, I think truly it's a community health center that was built by the community, literally with hammers, brick by brick, with the first clinic to serve the community. And we've stayed true to that mission. And we really want patients to feel that they are an honored guest in our space, that they're coming into the clinic, they feel heard, they feel seen, that this is a place where they feel comfortable and welcome. And that's really what we strive for. And I think, health centers all over can have a variety of feel and welcoming space, and we really want to stand out in that way to have every patient walk through the door and feel that warmth.
Absolutely. Well, I can tell you because my 6-year-old sees Dr. Marco Antonio, who is fabulous, by the way. She loves her. So congratulations to you, the entire Tepeyac team, on such a big accomplishment. And we can't wait to visit the new clinic.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Thank you, Doctor. Okay, Tepeyac Community Health Center provides quality medical care in all of life stages. Visit their website to learn more and make an appointment. You can also make a gift to support the new state-of-the-art clinic. Go to tepeyachealth.org, or you can also call them. That number is 720-769-9737.
Scandinavian Design sponsored today's Coco in the Community Story. Shop showrooms in Denver, Westminster, or Highlands Ranch, or shop online at ScandinavianDesigns.com.